Ho, ho, ho. The newest purchase. Newest product of Low Budget Speed Shop. That's about all she's got, folks. As you can see, it's got dual pipes, true dual pipes. Park it next to the 55.
There's some big duals on it.
True duals. That's the newest project of the speed shop. Have a glance in here at this true muscle car. You can see the column shifter really sets off the performance look. Take a look under the hood of this bad boy. That's where it's all at. Don't worry about the smoke coming from the head. Don't let that fool you. Put it right there. That's where the performance is really at right there.